It's been an action-packed day here in Hyderabad, and we move forward with the last match of day 2. It's going to be Scotland taking on the hosts India. The crowd has assembled to support the hosts, and of course yesterday they started with a victory over Uruguay, and Scotland too coming off a 1-0 win over Wales. We've got to take it again, and Scotland start this encounter wearing blue, attacking from right to left and from left to right, wearing the white and orange jersey. It's India. Yesterday they took their time against Uruguay, but you may not get that margin against a team like Scotland. They're into the circle. This could be danger for India. Bichu Devi saves it. Bichu Devi saves it once more. A penalty corner conceded. On the break, Scotland were charging forward. Bichu Devi denied them twice, but then ended up conceding a penalty corner. It was an inspiring run. McEwen with that backhander, and the ball going to another player who then tried to smash that in as well. Look at that. A switch in the batteries. They go to the first battery. That's taken the deflection and gone into the goal. Edie was the one who fired it in. And Scotland are 1-0 up. There's silence in the stadium, but you can hear the Scottish support, vociferous in their support. Just giving it direction there, and the goal will be credited to Heather McEwen. McEwen was the one who got the ball into the circle initially and fired the first shot. Thundered that forward, a one-touch pass into the circle, and it's a penalty corner. Costello possibly not able to control that as well. And once again, India will get a penalty corner. It is their third in this match. They go to Anu. Again, the trap not successful. India still have the ball. Back to Navneet. Navneet goes for the hit. India have scored. Navneet Kaur, the ever dependable senior player, has helped India equalize. As the clock was ticking, the Indian fans were hoping for the equalizer via a penalty corner, and it is Navneet Kaur, although the trapping wasn't successful, kept her composure. It was initially passed around, came back to her, went for the hit, and going past Jessica Buchanan to help India back into the contest. The Scottish goalkeeper into the circle, and that could be a penalty corner. It is. It was surely raised onto her own body by the Scottish defender. And India have an opportunity here once again with that penalty corner. Can't see Navneet Kaur in that huddle. They go to the second battery. That's been hit. Once again, it's still in play. Ishita. India find the goal that they wanted. It was quite a scramble between them and the Scottish players. The high fives go up. And it looks like it is Sunalita Topo who has got that last touch into the goal, but is there going to be a referral?
Yeah, sure. Exactly. No, I know. So they want the referral. You want the referral? You ask for the referral. Okay. So.
Off her body because we think it came off her body and then it hit the ankle. Can you review the whole thing?
Yeah.
But then
Okay.
we think it's come off her body and then hit it. Is that allowed? No.
Yeah. So. Okay.
It was an intense tussle between the Indian and the Scottish players. As we can see over there, Manisha Chauhan went for it. It was Birch. It's in fact come off the woodwork there by the looks of things. with the ball going towards Lal Remsiami. She went for that again. Buchanan did well. It was a tussle, a tangle, a scramble. Oh, got to put that under the microscope by the looks of things. It's come off Birch, and then Sunelita Toppo was around.
Sandra, there's
Yeah.
no clear reason to change your decision. You can award the goal and Scotland lose their referral.
Thank you.
Stolen by Scotland in a good position. This could be an opportunity. Scotland have got the equalizer. Fantastic team effort, and it seems to be a goal. Courtesy Heather McEwan yet again. It's 2-2. We will get confirmation on the goal scorer, but Heather McEwan, what a day she's having. She's passed that around, and the final touch, in fact, coming off Fiona Burnett. And this could well possibly be the last move that India made. As Scotland shape up, they send it into the circle. Bichu Devi sends it away. And India and Scotland have fought hard against each other. It's a draw, 2-2. India had taken the lead 2-1, but thereafter Scotland made a comeback in the third quarter. A stalemate that truly reflected a good fight, and it was a good contest to watch. At full time, it's Scotland 2, India 2 in the FIH Hockey World Cup qualifiers.